Hey guys, DK388 here on this Delonghi Dedica Espresso coffee machine unboxing and review. Diving right in, box length is 385mm, 197mm deep and 370mm high, and the weight is 6.3 kilograms. Okay, before we crack this open, this is the barista pack. So you get the milk jug and tamper. This is a 15 bar machine, which is quite high as they're generally around 9 bar. Inside we have the paperwork. It's quite well packed. Right, finally, we have a couple of baskets. We've got the filter holder itself, got the power lead, measuring spoon, and inside we have a box of descaler. And that is the barista pack, which is the milk jug and tamper set. And the machine itself, this is the azure colour with the plastic body with a metallic effect which comes out quite well, I think. There's a chrome metal shelf for warming your cups. To the rear we have a water tank. On the bottom we have a nice chrome drip tray with Dedica stamped on it. On the right we have the steam controller dial in chrome. And below is the stainless steam wand with a collar for the hot milk or cappuccino setting. Back to the drip tray, this is a removable, exposing a secondary drip tray, also removable. And inside the main drip tray is a red float to let you know it's full. The jug and tamper set. Tampers are quite solid and quite weighty, with a diamond pattern handle and a stainless base. Overall weighing in at 228 grams. Onto the basket filters. This is a single shot, indicated by the single spoon stamp on the bottom. The second filter is a ESE pods or Easy Serve Espresso. I've looked everywhere in several supermarkets and can't seem to find any of these pods. Loads of capsules and espresso pods though. Lastly, the third filter is fitted into the holder by spring clips, and this one is the double shot as seen here, the double spoon stamp on. With the single side by side you can tell the difference. We've got just a cheap plastic spoon. And we've got a box of descaler solution. The machine has an indicator where the steam button turns orange and it requires descaling. The internal dims of the filter holder at 55mm. With the drip tray in place, max size glass is 8cm to the bottom of the nozzle. With the tray removed, this is increased to about 12cm. The depth machine is 330mm, the width is 150mm, and the height is 305mm. cord length is a generous 1 metre, which compared to a kettle, which is around 600 millimetres. Rear of the water tank is removable and can hold about 1 litre. Just a quick visual comparison of my current coffee maker, which is a simple single cup drip filter coffee maker. Fairly similar in physical presence. Do like the extra height, as you can fill all the cups or travel flasks, so this will be a whole new learning of coffee making. As per instructions, wash all accessories, and as the machine will need to be rinsed several times before making any coffee, it's just a simple process of cycling water through the system about 5 times using the filter holder without the baskets. Before we make any coffee, first we need to prime the maker and equipment by running a cycle of hot water. When both lights are flashing, the machine is warming up, and when solid, the machine is ready for use. With the maker primed, we can load the basket with coffee. Here I'm using a single shot filter. Technically it should be measured and weighed, but for a novice like me, I think this is the start of the learning process on a trial and error basis. Again, I'm just new to this idea of coffee making, so I'm working it out as I go along. Just trying to level off the grounds and just using the tamper. Right, the filter holder in, push the single shot button and see what comes out. No expert, but it seems to look good. Nice crema on it. A bit like Guinness. Right, time for the double shot of making Americano coffee. Using the double basket filter here. Again, just trying to tap to level the grounds, and using the tamper just to level the top off. Here we go again, using 2 glasses. Good so far. Nice dark texture. The crema head on. With a hot cup of water ready, just decant the shots into the cup. And then just add a splash of milk. That's an Americano. Right, we're going to attempt to make a latte using the same process before as a single espresso shot. I'm going to jump straight into the milk jug to steam and heat the milk. Pressing the steam button and waiting for the solid limit. Turn the chrome knob and feather the intensity with some motion oscillation to work the milk froth. And then just pour the shot into a latte glass and decant the hot milk for a silky latte. Again, new to this, so it'll take some practice and some trial and error. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll try and make some more different types of coffee, like a cappuccino, hot chocolate, and I'll try and get hold of some of these pods for the next video.